We started ABLE 5 years ago with a clear mission: enabling mobility for everyone. There are many people living with mobility impairments, and this is only going to worsen due to the aging population. At ABLE, we develop, manufacture, and commercialize robotic exoskeleton to help them live a more active life and to minimize the secondary health complications due to living on a wheelchair. My name is Alex Garcia, and I am the CTO and co-founder of ABLE Human Motion. My main responsibilities are coordinating the different engineering departments, such as mechanics, electronics, or software, to make sure that our exoskeletons meet the real needs of our patients and they make their life much better. We believe the best way to design compelling and really useful technology is by involving the final user since the beginning. This implies fast design iterations, incorporating our customer feedback, and this is where 3D printing really excels.
When we're validating new designs, 3D printing allows us to test new design proposals in less than 1 day and at affordable price. If we were to do the same with traditional methods and external suppliers, we will need a minimum of 2 weeks and around 5 times the cost to test and validate the same geometry. Not to mention the flexibility this 3D printer brings into the table. The design process is faster, and we know any design flaw can be fixed by printing a new part. All in all, at the end of the year, saving both in cost development and time is huge compared to traditional prototyping methods. 3D printing has allowed us to validate new geometries and their usability in a quick and efficient way, saving us a lot of money and time spent managing the manufacturing of the prototypes with external companies. Equally important, we have designed and printed new tools for helping in the assembly process of exoskeletons, and also test components for quality compliance. Thanks to BCN3D printers, we have been able to prototype solutions in a fast and low-cost way to validate our new designs improvements. On the other hand, 3D printers allows us to prototype production tools and testing setups without depending on external suppliers.
What we love about BCN3D is the automatic calibration of the printer, which ensures good build quality for every print, and also the caring technical support that they offer. We would recommend these printers to anyone who wants to quickly build and validate functional parts without compromising quality.